उत्तराखंड, पद्म विभूषण श्री बहुगुणा जी, श्रीमती बहुगुणा जी, Dr. Rao, Mr. Shah, Dr. Faruqi, all the distinguished guests over here, friends from media and electronic media and press. आज हम लोग जो यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं, importance of forest, importance of environment that has been very well explained by Mr. Shah and Mr. Dr. Rao. And by way of the Ganges, Ganga, that is a symbol for our culture, richness of our heritage, of our civilization. Thousands and millions of people who are dependent on the Ganges, and starting from the Gomukh down to the Bay of Bengal, the importance of Ganga has been shown in a very, very excellent way by not less than Padma Shri Mr. Tom Alter and the great artist Nandini Bharatari. So thank you very much, artists, all the artists. In fact, when we see such type of event or program, I would personally thank, and I'm really grateful to those artists, those persons, those stakeholders who have joined hands together here. And when I was counting, there were more than 30. So my special thanks to all of you. And especially I would like to mention about His Excellency. Despite his busy schedule, he has come here to bless us. And sir, your such type of presence makes a lot of difference. And the Forest Department is trying its level best to strike a balance between environmental stability and developmental processes in the state. By way of getting involved various stakeholders, I'm sure. Now today, आज बहुगुणा जी हमें ये बताते हुए अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमारे इतने ज़्यादा एडवोकेट्स तैयार हो गए। वन विभाग आज पूरा खुले मन से तैयार है कि जो भी हमारे साथ काम करना चाहते हैं, हम चाहे सिविल सोसाइटीज़ हैं, चाहे नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, चाहे पर्यावरणविद हैं, चाहे बड़े वैज्ञानिक हैं या फिर वनविद हैं, सभी लोग मिल करके पर्यावरण को बचाएं, इसको संरक्षित करें और ग्रेट गंगा को हम संभाल के रखें, संरक्षित रखें। और इसमें स्पेशली आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन अबाउट कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ONGC महारत्ना। आपका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन 4 crores, maybe it is just like a drop in the ocean, but that Ringal is going to provide a lot of means of livelihood, additional income generation activities to those artisans who are involved in the small cottage industry. And I see some of my friends, I'm sorry, Director General FSI, Mr. Anil Bahal is here, Principal Secretary to the Governor, Mr. Ashok, and all distinguished your esteemed guests. I'm really personally thankful to all of you. And you have made, I would say, you have made us realize that the environmental protection is very important, but simultaneously development also should take place. So I'm extremely happy that in the process, with the involvement of CMS Vatavaran, Dr. Rao, thank you very much. That's why when I was asked in the ministry that this year we would like to show these films in five places or 5 capitals, I volunteered myself for Uttarakhand. This is for the first time it has taken place in Uttarakhand. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Wish you all the best. And I'm sure that we, as a forester, will certainly try to strike balance between environmental stability and developmental processes in the new state, Uttarakhand. Thank you very much.